or maybe we're gonna work and they never ended up well. No, I don't have any at all. I don't have any problem with her. It was just.
You say Wetin? What did you just say? Destiny. You say, Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Also, now they fine. Now do what so tell them to they share, comment, like. God go bless you. I really appreciate you now. Where? I beg this video. Mona still help me share. Okay, Mona help me share and like this video. Leave your comment. What do you think about this video? Where I want to talk about. So, do not forget to follow my page, Untouchable Mama backup page or Untouchable Mama. Follow me on YouTube, Unto Mama TV. Na Mystic Get Town. My people, this video, I will play am for una. Una remember say, I get one video where Ruby do a friend to Destiny Etiko. That video was like boom. If I remember, I go put am under here or I go play am for una. Mona listening to that video, okay? But if I don't remember, I'm gonna go watch and still there for my YouTube for them, still there for my Facebook page for them. Where be say Ruby comments, he can't talk about say he no say now so Destiny you sabi lie. No say you dey lie like this. You take me, say me, you tell me say me I can't work for you. I tell you the amount where you go pay me. I even tell you say I don't get time. So may you not come they disturb me if I they do all that thing. I be somebody where they busy where. That video go viral where. So Destiny can't reply and say you must give me my 700,000. So we can't they talk many things for there. If I see you, now so this one still. So if I see you, I go do this one. Even Ruby even do video when she there for Isire say he want go meet Destiny. Say he want beat like small pikin. That video that during that time. As I just dey waka dey go, my people. Now I can see this one where be say Destiny still do because she first do that first one where be say she can't dey vibrate for a cycle. Say now he make and she not want get anybody for the industry. Say he don't need any friend for them. She dey do her own they go. But if she want make she give any of them work, they will come they they use until they bring public come they give her. So of course say she do this video. Now come still listening to this video. Come they listen. She come they talk about the video where be say Ruby do with the one where she do. Say that video where be say Ruby do, she no understand the video. That very day she can't call Ruby, come they ask and say, Ruby, wetin make you do this video? Wetin they go on? He said Ruby come send tell her for message say she want just do some prank. Hey, she want just do some prank. Then she can say, okay, since you say make I just follow you back, make I do the prank follow you. Destiny say na him make her do that video where be say she come dey talk for his cycle say if I see you for anywhere I go bulala your bonbon. Now remember that video. So now she come and say many people come they call her, even the family come they call her for this video where I go play for and say wetin dey happen between you and Ruby. So now she come just tell them say no be quarrel, they not dey quarrel na prank. Now she say she want to do the prank like that. Now she just say follow am back. So this one she can't use and tell us say the podcast say they don't get any issue. Now just because of say Ruby want do prank, so she just see follow. Say she not even know say the prank. Many people go not like her. One account they quarrel. Wetin be all this, something like that. Say my people. Before I will play this video, I felt on one thing. Many things just dey now where be say they go around. You don't know whether na prank, whether na real. So all this prank of 18, you get one video where be say I see where police officer they talk about this prank where they do for Nigeria. Say it's too expensive for it. So prank if you see am, somebody if you see that kind of prank now, heart attack go just hold on or you go just faint. Something like that. Many things they happen. Because all these people where be say they Niger, they're not strong like that. Even people where still there for years, they're not still strong like that. But they're not they allow like this. The way where they tell they do it for our country all the time, prank. Everything can be prank. They're not they allow for year for abroad like that. No. Because otherwise everybody for they do prank, they go the prank person where be say they waka you. No, you don't do that. If somebody, anything happen to that person, you go enter one chance. So me believe say maybe with time our Nigeria they go change this thing, because they need to do other things. Many things they to do, not be prank there, prank here. Anyway, when I play this video, may we hear from Destiny, okay?
Good morning, my beautiful people. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are great. Please, I'm so sorry for yesterday. I just want to use this medium to say I'm very sorry to all my fans. A lot of people have been calling. Destiny, what's going on between you and Ruby? Why are you guys having issues and all of that? See, I really feel I've done something wrong, and that's why I'm apologizing, right? There was nothing like that. There was no quarrel between Ruby and I. As a matter of fact, we haven't seen ourselves for long, actually. You know, but I was just there, and then I got a message that, look at what Ruby did. I called Ruby, what's going on? What is going on? What's that? So she just wanted to know what I would say, and I said, okay, fine. Since you started, I will help you and complete it. And I had to just do my own video. There's nothing like that. Nothing like that. Like nothing. So please, I just want to use this to bring a lot of tension down. People that feels that I have issues with Ruby, or maybe we're gonna work and they never ended up well. No, I don't have any at all. I don't have any problem with her. It was just a prank. It was just a prank, you know. But it's just that it's quite expensive. It's quite an expensive one, which I do not really like how it's coming out. And almost all my family members, everyone is calling me, what's the issue? These Nollywood people, they will not let you rest, blah, blah, blah. I said, no. Matter of fact, no one has ever done that to me when it comes to my job. My colleagues, all of them that I've worked with, they love and they respect me. And each time I call them for job, they just come down and do my job, you know, so well. So it's not a problem, never a problem, and never will it be a problem. Please, I just want to use this medium to, you know, apologize to all my fans out there who they...
Your own cast going on.
Yes, so they said. Okay. So I just want to use this medium to apologize to all my fans, friends, the ones that really care, because oh my god, the calls I've received these few hours, it's just too much. I just have to come out and say this, please. There's no problem between Ruby and I. We are not fighting about anything. There's no movie that is causing issues for us. We are cool colleagues. Nothing else. If I get time for that one, maybe they're busy, they do my jobs. I don't have time for frivolities. So there's nothing like that. I love you guys, please.
So my people, that one on the video, she debunk and say nothing like that. Say maybe they quarrel or they get issue, or maybe she pay on 700,000, so Ruby not can do the thing for her. So but Ruby not come out can debunk the issue, okay? So she just leave everything like that. If it still be say maybe they can't still realize, they just say okay, maybe they just do one like that. Say now prank, and then they do, you know, say. Nowadays, before you go come see something wey be real, sometimes say you go be real, they'll come change and say na prank, then just want make they do one like that. It go just still finish like that. But my people, you know now we where they do me, but we must carry. We must carry say two boss bars. Then one start to, you know, something like that. So as she can see the book and see the video, I say make I see bring and come. For those people where be think say these people they don't start again. Destiny say that nothing like that. Now just prank. Now Ruby they do. Now she can't still follow. Give her the prank. But the next day she can't say no. May she just come out and say she no want me she dey all this prank of 18, this one, that one. You know? Especially when it comes to involve money for inside, you understand? You know, say sometimes if they do prank, they think about all these things, because 700,000, another actress go still the thing say if I still give Ruby money, if you still do something like that, you know the way something say they be now. Anyway, my people, I drop this video for now. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one. Please share this video. What do you think about this video? Now prank, I be then just change them to prank. Anyway, na the outro. Bye bye for now.